Okay, so we lost a lot of sound footage from what we've been doing lately, and basically we're in the middle of cutting up some pieces so that we can build the dog for the mill out of these, which are over in the saw getting cut right now, and they're getting cut just below here, and then we're going to create a little bit of room up here and trim that out as well. Those are going to be our uprights. This will get welded to that. Either side, that'll bolt in between there, something like that, and yeah, it'll do mill dog things. Yeah, we blew up a parting blade earlier, so that's cool.
That's still cutting those.
We've machined our cams, so there's your cam, so that'll get welded to those pieces that are getting cut right now, which get welded to that. So then all of that is getting put on this post here, and then the log will sit up against that, and then we'll adjust, this will be able to adjust for height and forward, backward, and then you'll be able to lock her in place. This is the idea of what we have set up so far. This will be one part of it. So we got those welded. Alright. So that puts both of our things in the same location on both of our dogs. And now we're just going to set these up. I'm going to trim these off so that when they are sitting there below, probably take a little bit off this and just sharpen it up enough. I'll weld that on both sides in place. One more element to this. See what we got. Stuffing things. Lots of different stuffing things. Cut that in half. Let's do that. Center. Alright, we're ready for assembly. We're going to run this here. I'm going to double nut them so I can keep them loose. Our handle. We're good with that. Alright, guys. I'm going to wrap that up there. What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh, he's low. Alright, thanks for watching. Till next time.